Hello and welcome to CAD Maniac. Autodesk have launched AutoCAD LT 2025 version. So this tutorial is about downloading and installing AutoCAD LT 2025, as well as I'll tell about AutoCAD LT 2025's price, that is what is needed for AutoCAD LT subscription. So to download AutoCAD LT 2025, click on the link provided in the description section below. If you have a student account, click on sign in and sign in with your credentials. And if you don't, then create one. Video linked in the I button on how to create Autodesk student account, what documents you have to upload. Click on Get Autodesk Software, scroll down. Click on Get Product under AutoCAD LT. So here it is, AutoCAD LT 2025 version. So just click on install and accept the terms. Setup file will be downloaded, then just click on it and click on install. So it will take some time to install. Meanwhile, also from where you can buy AutoCAD LT, what is AutoCAD LT's price? So just type AutoCAD LT. Click on AutoCAD LT subscribe or AutoCAD LT buy. Here you can check AutoCAD LT's pricing in US, United States. Change the location to India and you can check the pricing in India as well. So it has been installed successfully. Now launch AutoCAD LT 2025. Here it is, AutoCAD LT 2025 version. So that's it for this video guys. Everybody stay healthy, stay safe. Bye-bye.